It's an eagle. Is there a car behind you?
I thought my eyes didn't cover.
Holy shit. No, don't go anywhere. Look at the bald eagle. Check him out. Oh look, he's got a whole possum. Look, the eagle's got a whole possum. Look, they are not... Look at all of the vultures right there. Look at the vultures. They are not fucking with that eagle. Wow. He can't fly away with it. Damn. Sleepy dude, look at that. Wow. Those vultures are not fucking with that eagle. Damn, that's crazy. You see how much he commands respect?
Crazy. Wasn't that wild?
He commands that respect. They are not fucking with him. And they don't give a damn. They will. He is trying though. He is trying.
Hold on, I'm going back in. That's like wow.
The thing is, the vultures